The Galaxy Flip has this camera mode where you fold it and hold it like the old camcorders from the 90s. The form factor is super nostalgic, but the footage looks like every other phone video. Meanwhile, everybody's buying these $30 plastic cameras to get that vintage look. This one was slightly more expensive, but maybe I could justify it if I spent hours trying to make it look just as bad. $30 saved. I vibe coded the first version, just low resolution, chromatic aberration, and a small timestamp in the corner. When the phone's unfolded, you get your video library. When you start folding it, it transitions to the camera. One half for the controls, one half for preview, just like the old camcorders. It looked okay, so it was time to take it outside. Honestly, everything already looked pretty retro. Just holding the phone like a camcorder added that shaky vibe. As I was walking with a cold brew in one hand and the phone in another, the first problem I noticed was that I couldn't film with my left hand since the controls were always on the right. I also missed the record button a couple times. We randomly saw a skateboarding show and I ended up filming my shirt instead. We walked to a local Asian supermarket and discussed all of the world's most difficult problems. We came up with concrete, actionable steps to solve them all within the next couple months. I tend to be pretty forgetful, so I was really glad I had it all on camera to refer back to it when we got home. Later that evening, when I reviewed the footage, there was no audio. So I spent the next few days fixing things. I added audio.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
I moved the record button to the top right to make it easier to use single-handed. I added a slow zoom in and out. I added left-handed mode to make it cold brew compatible. I increased the saturation and decreased contrast to get the faded and vibrant look. I also added some polish for reviewing the footage, as well as selfie mode.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh yeah, that's weird.
I know.
The weekend is here, therefore the camcorder is here.
Oh, the Japanese food is here now.
Yay! You need a haptic feedback.
Ah,
Glad I clicked it. That's so sad.
wow.
Oh, looks good.
I need to make the buttons more reachable.
Please, there's so liquid. It's waiting time.
Wow. Yeah. They have it. Wow. Wow. Yeah.
Is this a vegetarian?
Hi.
Why do you keep filming me?
I don't know what.
They also code it up like if you zoom, it zooms like really slowly. It's like a weird.
Wow. Oh.
Turns out, it doesn't actually matter how vintage the footage looks. The best part isn't the filters or the fake grain. It's that this little foldable phone made me actually want to film again, not caring about the specs, but just because it was fun. Sure, I could have bought a $30 camera, but making this app let me justify a $1,200 purchase to my girlfriend. And somehow, all those clips stopped feeling like videos and started feeling more like memories.